Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I did decide to do a what's my gym essentials, like what I have in my gym bag. But PSA, I don't have a gym bag currently. I am looking for one. There was one that I had specifically in mind, but it has been sold out, so I don't know if I should just go ahead and buy it next time it restocks, or should I just continue to look? Let me know in the comments. If you are new, my name is Esmeralda. I did start a weight loss journey slash fitness journey currently in March, I believe. At the end of March I started. So I do you guys all my essentials and everything that I seem to collect throughout this whole time that I've started all this. And I hope you guys enjoy what I have to show you guys, and let me know if I'm missing something in the comments. This is more towards at-home gyms and gym also essentials, so I mean, maybe you guys will like some things I will show you. And yeah, let's just, enough ranting, let's get on. So I'm gonna start off with basically what it is that I wear. I do have these Nike gloves that I got from Marshall's that I use when I'm using my weights. I think they're called, see, look, I'm new to this. These are the ones that I use basically when I'm doing dumbbells. I think that's what they're called, dumbbells. So when I'm lifting those, as well as when I am doing push-ups or any other things, because my palms do start to hurt every time I work out and I am on my hands. I also do have these training shoes. These are the Nike Flex TR9. I've been on the hunt for some really good shoes to train with, and these are one of the best shoes that I've found. I used to work out with some Adidas ones. They're the POS 3.1s, but these are honestly just flat and they do not hurt me. I only wear these when I do strength training. I do have different shoes when I do cardio and stuff, so I highly recommend these if you guys are looking for some really good shoes to work out with. Next thing is I have this Sweet Sweat band. I really like these more than the other ones that I've had previously from this. I have all three sizes in this currently because when I started off with the size large, which is this one, and I've gone down all the way to size small, believe it or not. I mean, I do wear two. I wear a medium one and a small one. So I wear one for my lower stomach area and one for my waistband. Hence the name. These are waist trimmers. They're not meant to be for your lower stomach, but I like to wear them like that. So I used to wear this one on my lower stomach. Now I have the medium one. So I highly recommend Sweet Sweat. And going along with Sweet Sweat, I also have their enhancer packets, the workout enhancers. I really like these. These are some of the really good ones. They do make me sweat a lot, and I highly recommend if you want to use something like this, like gels that help you enhance your sweating and stuff. I highly recommend these as well, and they go perfect with the waistband. So go ahead and check these out if you guys want. But I highly recommend these, and I do use these every time when I work out. These are the travel packets, which are great for your gym bag, because I mean, nobody wants to be carrying a tub of gel in their gym bags. So these are really great for your gym bag if you guys are wanting to have these. So these are travel packets, by the way, so they're really good and I highly recommend them. And I bought them just simply because I wanted to try them out. So I was like, why not buy the travel packs? And since it was cheaper than the tub or the stick. And I did purchase mine off. Everything that I purchased from Sweet Sweat, I purchased on Amazon, just because on Amazon it's way cheaper than their website. Now, what's also essential for me, it's this blender bottle. Not this one specifically, but any blender bottle that I have here just to mix my pre-workout. And the pre-workout, also essential for me, it's the Peace Science Prolific. I swear by this. This is my holy grail. I cannot stand those pre-workouts that have the tingles and the jitters. I just cannot do it. I feel like I'm getting an allergic reaction. My body's on fire. I just cannot do it. And if you're looking for one that does not do that, this one is the one. I like the melon berry twisted. I also like the sour green apple, and I also recommend the high volume from them. I need to buy it. I'm almost out of this one, and I'm gonna start mixing both the prolific and the high volume every time now that I start working out. But yeah, I like to drink my pre-workout really cold with really cold water and ice. That's just me. Or sometimes in my videos, I have been currently doing some workout guides that I purchased from Danny Munoz. I am currently doing the Corn Thick Volume 2. I do print them out for once I get them in my email, just simply because, I mean, she gives you all the description of what to do, the workout. I mean, that's not the workout. Let me see. You see? See, she gives you some pages for the workouts for the week. So, if I don't have it here, I also have a planner that's very handy for me. I do jot them down. Here, let me scan through the picture. So basically, I do jot down my workouts for the week. I don't work out Saturday or Sunday, but I do have my workouts for the week, and I do every time I finish a workout, I put a sticker on her just so I could feel proud of myself. And you know, it's very helpful for me to know that I did something. And yeah, I highly recommend, if you guys go to the gym or something, just take this and jot down what your exercises are going to be for the day. Or if not, I mean, this is handy for me too as well. I have another one in a planner, but I can't find the planner. So right now I just have them in loose paper. But this is also very essential and beneficial for me when I work out. For resistant bands now, I do have peach bands. I really like these just because of the fact that they are the cotton material and they won't snap unlike the other ones that I'm about to show you guys. But they do come with the light, the medium, and the heavy resistant bands. I'm currently using the medium bands, which are these. And yes, they are pink. Pink is my favorite color. So I highly appreciate that they are pink. And this is the light, the medium, and the heavy. I do recommend these. I really like these. When I first started working out, I think in January, I did start in January, but technically I stopped and I started back again in March during the quarantine. I did go all the way up to a heavy size, but you know, you gotta work with what you gotta work with, and you gotta move up slowly eventually. But these, I highly recommend them. They're very easy to use. And yeah, they're very sturdy, which I like, very sturdy. And I don't like resistant bands that roll up on you and start like pulling on you and stuff. So I highly do recommend these. But I move on to the other ones. I do really like these also because it comes in a pouch, so they won't be tugging and running and moving around and tangling up in all the other things that you have in your gym bag. So these are very awesome. They go hand in hand, and you won't even lose the resistant band. So now the other ones that I have are the Fit Simplify resistant bands. They come from sizes extra light to extra heavy. So I mean, I'm not disappointed that I purchased these. I did buy these on Amazon. Everything that I buy from Peach Bands also I bought from Amazon. But these I also bought on Amazon. They're the first resistant band purchase that I've ever made. So it comes with 4 bands, from extra light to all the way to extra heavy. I don't really like these when I'm doing booty workouts, just simply because, again, I don't like the tugging and the rising and all that. And they will easily snap, which I'm not saying they're not going to easily snap when I do arm workouts. I prefer to use these more as arm workouts. When I'm doing my arm workouts, when I am not using the dumbbells, or I'll use them in combination with my dumbbells. So when I'm doing my workouts, these are they're good for that purpose. But personally for me, I will not use them for my booty workouts. But I mean, it's all to each their own. Also, the plus from these two is that they come in a little pouch, so they won't be moving around and you won't lose them. I also have the Peach Bands resistant bands for the arms. Yes, for the arms. And it comes with one of these that you connect to the door, so you could have an easier arm workout. It comes with 3 of these, the 10 pound, the 20 pound, and the 30 pound. and with the pouch. It also comes with a guide to do arm workouts, which is also essential for you when you are working out. If you are a beginner like I am and you don't know really much about arm workouts, which is very great. I was gonna pull them all out, but I mean, let me just pull one up. But you kind of get the gist of it. It's one of these that you put your feet on when you work out. I'm gonna just slap my face and you guys saw that. But it's essentially one of these. These are amazing. Obviously I've never really owned, well, I have owned some stuff like this, but I really like these. These are very sturdy. And I don't really know what else to say, but I do really like them when am doing arm workouts. And essentially, even if I'm not doing arm workouts, I really like them also. I also have a jump rope from Peach Bands that I use on days that I do cardio. And currently, I don't know where it's at. I misplaced it somewhere in my garage. But yes, I use that either if I'm going to warm up or if I am going to do cardio. Again, it's from Peach Bands. It comes in that one didn't come in a pouch, sadly. That's why I lost it. But I do like that jump rope. That jump rope is weighted. It has weight on it. So, I mean, yeah. I also have these resistant bands. See, I'm going fast. These resistant bands, I don't, you have to tie them up. I use these also with my booty workouts for, essentially if I'm doing leg races or the good mornings. So I mean, I need to invest in some like these, but the person that I'm trying to buy them from hasn't even launched them yet, so I'm just gonna wait for her release. If not, and then also I don't know if you guys have seen Jasmine Suss here on YouTube and Instagram. I want to purchase some of her resistant bands, but she's always out of stock, and then sometimes it's just hard because she goes missing sometimes. So I know it's kind of hard for people to receive their items, and that's what I've been noticing. That I don't know if she's been shipping when she's like taking her breaks on YouTube and stuff, but I don't know. She's also out of stock, and I want to purchase the little gym bag that she has also, but it's been out of stock. But I have these. These are the brand Ignite. I never mentioned what they were, but these are the brand Ignite. I got these at Target. So I want to essentially, well, I mean, I use these to work out as well for arm workouts or for my booty workout. Another thing that's essential for me is my Apple Watch and my hair ties. I like these type of hair ties just because they're not going to rip off your hair. And I could just wear them as a cute bracelet. But my Apple Watch just simply because I like to track how much time I'm doing when I am strength training. Basically, I like my Apple Watch a lot just because the simple fact that I like to time myself and track my calories burned, and as well as tracking my time every time that I'm doing strength training or if I'm doing cardio. I do essentially work out for like an hour or hour 30. It depends on my mood and how my body is feeling that day as well. So I mean, the Apple Watch is something really great too to help you track everything. I use it when I go hiking. Well, I use it every day, but I like to track every time that I go hiking, every time that I'm strength training, like I said, doing cardio, when I'm warming up, dancing, doing Zumba, whatever it is that I'm doing, that exercise for the day. It's very helpful for me because also on my phone I could essentially just look at everything that I could look at everything that I've been tracking from my Apple Watch on my phone. So it's very beneficial and helpful for me. The last things that I have to mention for today is for my home workouts, I do use my JBL speaker. This is, I think, the Charge 3, the Charge 4. My boyfriend got this for me because I really needed a speaker and I wanted one, so he was kind enough to buy me one, and I really like the JBL speakers. They have a really good bass to it and a good sound to it. So I mean, I like to listen to a lot of music that has bass, so this does not go unnoticed. I use it every time that I'm either working out or I'm getting ready or whatever it is when I am at home. And also, I mean, don't make fun of my case. The other top part is in my bag, my purse. But my AirPods also are very essential to me every time that I am working out, because I mean, I like to listen to music when I'm working out. If not, I like to watch a show when I'm working out or whatever. So I just pop on my AirPods and I am good to go. But these are very essential to me. And obviously, if I had my gym bag and I was going to the gym, I would take my keys with me to go to the gym. But since again I don't have a gym bag, like I said, and right now currently the gyms I think are closed, so I don't even go to the gym. But essentially that would also be part of my gym. So I had finished filming and I forgot the biggest and most important thing that I have in my essentials for the gym. My at-home gym, of course, not at the gym because they have matted floors, but it's my yoga mat. You know, I use this every time that I am doing my booty workouts, my arm workouts, whatever it is that I'm doing. If it's my glute activations or whatever, just simply because, again, my knees start hurting if I am on my floor. My floor is tiles, so my knees start hurting. As well as if I work out in my room and I have carpet in my room. So this helps me so much when I am working out. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel and you guys saw some of the essentials that I have in order to work out at the gym or at home. If you guys want to follow me on my social medias, they will be right here as well as in the description box below. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day today, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.